Hey guys, welcome back. We're now reviewing the G16 NS wireless controller. So it's compatible with NS gaming consoles. Enjoy your game as your style. So we're gonna go ahead, show you guys what it looks like. That way you get an idea of the design, the size, and everything. Right away we see that it is an upgraded model because it's a Type-C charging cable, power cable. They give you a nice quick rundown on the controls, quick guide, and this is it. So, oh, that's comfortable in your hands. I like that. So at first it looks like it's kind of big and bulky, but once you actually hold it, it's actually really nice. So you got minus, plus, you have T, home, you have another, so probably select or something. You have analog, you have the controls, X, A, B, Y. You have the trigger up here, then you have the secondary trigger, and then you have these M1 and M2 triggers underneath it. You have a set button and program button and a reset button, as well as the charging and the power port right there. And in here, it almost looks like a headphone jack as well. So overall, the color's nice, the style's nice, it fits really nice in your hand. I like this a lot. Yeah, this is really nice. So charging time takes 3 hours. Very nice. Okay, so you press to turn it on, the home button, and then it shows you, so it's trying to pair. Press and hold it to turn it off again. Yeah, so overall, guys, very, very nice controller. Good for the machines or even a do-it-yourself project game system. Raspberry Pi, you know, all that fun stuff.